Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a critical flaw that is important to fix in Google Chrome. There's a 0-day this week, and there are a lot of high severity security flaws at the same time. So update your Google Chrome browser, and it will be important to update your Chromium browsers too. So if you go into the upper right corner, three vertical dots, go down to Help and About Chrome, you will be sent to 146.0.7680.177 or 178, depending on what operating system you're using. So 21 high severity security flaws, pretty much, for the most part. Well, 2 medium, so 19 high severity, but one is critical and has to do with Dawn. Dawn is the kind of translator of web GPU to your graphics processing unit, your graphics card for the content on the web. And so that one has the 0-day flaw. It is exploited in the wild right now, which means that it could be easily exploited just by visiting a bad web page or receiving a link through email that sends you to a page that has the flaw. So it's important to fix this absolutely, and it's important to fix the browser. There's too many security flaws right now happening. One is use after free and the cascade style sheets, and there's another one over buffer overflow in the GPU. There's all sorts of different the MIDI, web MIDI for like music that is with that format, web codecs. Really, a lot of even a PDF viewer has flaws. So it's very important to fix your browser, and it will be very important to check for fixes for your Chromium browsers also. So do check for updates. It was released late yesterday, March 31st, rolling out today, April 1st. Very important to apply this update for Chrome this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.